Hello, my dear students. Good morning. How are you all? So, children, our today's subject is nature study oral. And in nature study, we are going to do revision of common fruits. Alright? So, come, children, let's learn the question answers. So, name any 5 fruits. You can learn any fruits whichever you want. So, like apple, mango, banana, orange, and grapes. Alright, next question is which is known as king of fruits? So the answer is mango is known as king of fruits. Which fruit has no seed? So the answer is banana has no seed. I know you all are learning very well, children. Keep learning, be good. Thank you. Bye bye.